Good morning, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, today is a very special day for Porsche and for sports car fans around the world. Because today, the most iconic sports car ever made is reborn. Yes, the time has come to reveal the next generation of the Porsche 911. Yes, here in Los Angeles, in California, in America, we could not imagine a more fitting place to debut the new 911. Because for 60 years, Porsche and the United States had a very special kind of relationship. I would even call it a love affair. It all started in the 50s with the support of American sport car drivers who helped Porsche establish itself in the enthusiast and racing community. The heritage they established for Porsche remains until today a vital element of our success. Last year, more than 55,000 new Porsches found homes here in the United States. This year, our US importer, Porsche Cars North America, is well on its way to another annual sales record, also by strong deliveries of the new Panamera and most recently, the new Cayenne. While the newest members of our model range have proven highly successful, the 911 remains our foundation, a rock-solid seller year after year. With the 911, you can throw out all conventional wisdom, not just in terms of its rear engine configuration, but also in terms of market demand. Consider that in that 7th year and final year of the current generation, sales are not declining, but rather increasing, up 9% through October. Ultimately, no car better stands for the American love affair with Porsche than the 911. After all, every third one built by our team in Germany comes here to America. No other countries comes close to this share of global 911 shares. In turn, it should come as no surprise that we sell more 911s right here in California than in any other state. Today, there are 26 Porsche dealers in California alone, supported for the last 2 years by its Porsche Experience Center, a very beautiful facility here in Los Angeles. Our Porsche roots run deep here. Porsche's success story in America started in 1951 when Johnny von Neumann bought a 356 from Max Hoffmann's dealership in New York City and drove it all the way down to the West Coast. He lived the credo, race on Sunday, sell on Monday. This year, California has already played home to 2 of the most significant events in our celebration of 70 years of sports cars. Just down the road here, the Peterson Automotive Museum continues to host a magnificent exhibit entitled The Porsche Effect. This display of historically significant Porsches has proven so popular that the Peterson has extended the showing into 2019. And that's not all. Laguna Seca was chosen once again to host Rennsport Reunion in September. The 6th edition of Rennsport was absolutely mind-blowing from start to finish, with more than 80,000 Porsche fans celebrating the living heritage of our legendary racing cars and drivers. I still get goosebumps when I'm thinking of this wonderful and magical weekend. So to summing up, at Porsche, we embrace our worldwide heritage. Of course, a lot has changed since our humble beginning. We have now built more than 1 million 911s. Porsche's model, range and scale have grown around the 911. That range now includes 4-door, sports cars, SUVs, and starting next year, the first all-electric Porsche, the new Taycan. This expansion only serves to make the 911, the enduring core of our brand, that much more vital to our future. It's now my privilege to introduce our CEO, Mr. Oliver Blume, to unveil the next chapter in the remarkable story of the 911. But first, a sneak preview. Thank you.
Your bones will be under, like a rope. Ladies and gentlemen, the new Porsche 911. Please welcome the Chairman of the Executive Board of Porsche AG, Oliver Blume.
Here is the new 911. In fact, I've had the chance to drive this car several times before, but these few feet, they were the most emotional by far. Driving the new Porsche 911, even at walking pace, you feel the passion we put in it. It's fantastic. More powerful, faster, digital, and still a very timeless machine. Why we're launching it here in California? For two reasons: the past and the future. California is a birthplace of modern culture cars, and here the future of mobility is taking shape. Ladies and gentlemen, in 70 years of building sports cars, Porsche was always evolving. We started strong. The very first 911 was already designed to be efficient and sporty. Long time before the word sustainability was popular, we designed and built cars with those principles. Quality instead of throwaway, timeless engineering and design, power with efficiency in a light, quick body. Porsche embraces the current shift to hybrid and electrification, of course, but our 911 shows sustainability and continuity are principles for more than just e-mobility. Continuity doesn't mean stagnation. Now in its new generation, number 8, the new phase of evolution is clear to behold. Our long-term friends will love it just as much the postmodern generation. Porsche is famous for its timeless design, and the new 911 proves it again. It has clear links to the original. At the same time, it hits the spirit of the time. The 911 has spent many hours in the gym. It is more compact and crisp. Inside, it is a lot more intuitive with a new Porsche Advanced Cockpit. With 443 horsepower in the US, which equals 450 metric horsepower, the new S model is already as powerful as the GTS of the last generation. Top speed, 191 miles per hour. The power is controlled by a new 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox. That continues the evolution of the 911 towards greater efficiency. And of course, later next year, our traditional manual will be available as well. We have added performance and cut down emissions, thanks to more sophisticated engineering, such as the new injection technology inside our 6-cylinder flat engine. In fact, since the 80s, the 911 has become 70% more powerful, but almost 30% more efficient. We also demand more tech on the digital side, and the 911 delivers. The world's first wet mode detects water on the road. It warns the driver while preparing cars control and safety systems to react. An optional night vision system uses a thermal camera to help you see in the dark. The new wrist radar analysis swarm data to warn about fog, low grip, or an accident long before they come into view. Innovation and performance are crucial for an iconic sports car. But that is not enough. You as a customer expect the best quality you can get. And that is what Porsche stands for. More than 70% of all 911 are still running. That's what sustainability means for us. And from today on, we also help our customer to improve their carbon footprint. With Porsche Impact, they are able to calculate the emissions of their driving. They can reduce that footprint with investments in climate-friendly projects worldwide. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here in California, the home of the app. That's why we have some special Porsche apps you are going to like. First of all, the Porsche Road Trip offers great routes and breathtaking spots. This app makes its debut with the 911. It's available immediately in the US for everyone, not only for Porsche drivers. For the next one, the Porsche 360 Plus, you don't even need a car. Starting in Germany, this service includes a personal lifestyle assistant available 24 hours a day. Your assistant arranges everything for you, from the best table at the hottest new restaurant to a very special birthday present or to organize a whole weekend trip. Ladies and gentlemen, California has always led the way on technology, on greening of our cars, and in new concepts of mobility. So we are proud to be here. The new 911 remains a pure driver's car. The fast-beating heart of our company, our icon, and simply the best 911 ever. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Porsche executives are now available for photo opportunities on stage.